In this first video, I will show you how to find and how to install the Lightshot app. I just write in Lightshot and hit enter. And here we have Lightshot print screen. I'm going to show you how to do this on a PC. So I click the download for Windows icon, I accept the license and I download it. Down in my left corner I can see it's now downloading. In the right corner I can see that this is a secure program approved by Norton. I click the setup, I run it, I can choose various languages, I prefer English, I hit next, I accept the agreement, and here I have the screenshot history. This is what makes this app so great. You can have your own library up there in the cloud. I'll return to my desktop and I want to make my first screenshot. So I have two options. I can right click the icon down in my right corner and click take a screenshot. Or I can just hit print screen on my keyboard, which I do, and I left click, hold down, I can adjust it, and then I want to upload it. I just click upload, and as you see here, uploading is now in process. So although I'm not logged in, it's uploading. And here I get a link to where I can find my image. I can choose to copy it, and I can open up a Word document, and I can choose to right click and paste. I can also choose to open it, and here I find my screenshot up in the cloud. So now I have a perfect screenshot from my desktop, and it's the same as the one I copied into the Word document. So now I'm ready to share.